it's raining harder now. I forgot it again. Why is it always raining when I do?
You forgot your umbrella again today?
Maybe.
You'll catch a cold. Go take a hot bath and change your clothes.
No, I'm fine. He's really so caring.